Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to activate and stream Discovery Plus with live TV in just a few simple steps. First, make sure you have a compatible device such as a smart TV, streaming media player, or gaming console. Next, download the Discovery Plus app from the App Store on your device. Once the app is installed, open it and select the Live TV option. You will be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have a Discovery Plus account, simply sign in using your credentials. If you're new to Discovery Plus, follow the on-screen instructions to create an account. After you've logged in or created your account, you will need to activate the Live TV feature. This typically involves entering a code displayed on your screen on the Discovery Plus website. Visit the activation page on the Discovery Plus website and enter the code when prompted. Once the code is confirmed, you should see a message indicating that Live TV has been activated on your account. Now, go back to the Discovery Plus app on your device and select the Live TV option again. You should now have access to live streams of various channels available on Discovery Plus. Browse through the available channels and select the one you want to watch. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and live events on Discovery Plus with Live TV. And that's all there is to it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.